Trying to lose weight, but oil keeps sneaking into every meal? What if I told you most people use oil out of habit, not because food actually needs it? 1 tablespoon of oil equals 120 calories. Use it 3 times a day, and you've added a full extra meal without realizing it. That's why weight loss stalls even when you eat healthy. These zero-oil cooking hacks keep food tasty, satisfying, and fat loss friendly without boring meals. Instead of oil, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water while sautéing onions or veggies. Let them brown slightly, then splash more water. Same texture. Zero oil. Dry roast spices, garlic, ginger, or chilies first. Heat releases flavor while oil doesn't create taste, heat does. Use a good nonstick pan or air fryer. Spray water, not oil. Your food won't stick, and your calories won't skyrocket. Miss the richness? Add lemon juice, vinegar, or curd at the end. Acidity tricks your brain into feeling meals are richer than they are. Going zero oil, but skipping spices. That's why people quit. Flavor keeps you consistent, not oil. Start zero oil at home meals first, not restaurants. Control your cooking, control your calories. If you want fat loss without giving up taste, like this video, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself and comment, zero oil. I'll share a full zero oil meal plan next.